The pending home sales report from NAR just came out, and Listings to Leads has an entire marketing packet for you ready to use for all of your socials, your database, and more. You can see here my Instagram Reels, absolutely awesome here with the beautiful video and just an easy call to action at the end of it here. If you got any feedback, and let us know. We've also got it set up as a story. So here you're going to say I got a story, and then I got a poll right afterwards. So here people can vote if they are thinking about buying or selling. So again, you can do whatever you want here. So that's Instagram. Here on YouTube, you can see my short. So again, actually on YouTube, you can do a poll just like you saw in Instagram stories. So if you're interested in that, let me know. So that's my YouTube. This is my Facebook post. So there we go for Facebook. Absolutely beautiful. We got an email. So this email I'll be walking you through as well and showing you how to do all of this stuff. Here we got TikTok. So on TikTok, you can see, you can actually do a poll on TikTok. I've got a video showing how to do that if you want. You can see the poll shows only for the section that we left blank for you. So seconds 5 through 10, we left blank. And then that way you can drop the poll right there and still have the ending call to action. So if you are at all interested in this, then stay tuned. And I'm going to walk you through here real quickly. In Listings to Leads, just scroll down. So from the dashboard, go ahead and scroll down below pending. You're going to see database email blast right there. And so the email that we're looking for here is the pending home sales rose by 7.4% in September. Go ahead and click on the subject line. And from here, you can either send this out through Listings to Leads or your CRM. So if you want to send it through Listings to Leads, select the Send To list. It's appropriate for all. And either click Schedule, and you can schedule the date and time, Send Now, or click Copy Code, go to your CRM. And in this case, in LionDesk, I went to the contacts. I would do bulk actions email. This will work with any CRM. So if you're using KV Core, Lofty, what have you, all you got to do is click Source. It definitely beats typing out an email or doing all the research yourself. Look at that, beautiful. They got the graphic right there, your Listings to Leads signature. I'm just going to come back, copy and paste back the subject line right there. Otherwise, you could have memorized it and done it yourself there, but boom, beautiful email. Click to send that or schedule it from your CRM and get that out the door. Now, I always say with the email, call through 5 or 10 of your top leads and just call them up and just say something like, hey, Scott, this is John with L2L Realty, and just want to let you know that the new NAR report came out talking about a 7.4% increase in pending home sales. I sent an email about it. Just want to make sure you got that as a courtesy to my VIPs. So something like that to let people know that you're thinking about them. I would also check your opens, your email opens, and call through some of those as well. Don't let them know that you saw they opened it. Just have the same conversation or leave a voicemail as you would of your top 5 to 10 leads. Great way to make sure that you're staying in front of your database on a daily basis. So we got it out via email. We got some phone calls made. Now go to your media center, and in the media center, you'll see that, or media library, excuse me, the media library. Click Media from L2L right here along the top. So you're going to land on My Files. This is where all the files you've ever uploaded will exist, but we're going to go to the ones that we provide you. So Media from L2L, then go to Images. And here you're going to see all the swipe files that you can download by the marketing pack. Now we're going to be doing some more work on this to make it even better. But for now, you'll be able to search. So for example, if I wanted the CoreLogic from yesterday, I could have searched for that. And these are at the top, I just want to show you. So if I do pending home, then all of these will appear. Now you can see social media post, Instagram poll, Instagram story, email banner. And if you go to video, you've got videos. We got one, the first one here, Instagram and YouTube. Let me play it for you and you can see the differences. Now, to get the videos, there is a post in the mastermind group that you're going to have to request a video for right now. We are going to make it downloadable from your account, both on mobile and on desktop, laptop. Right now you can't, but just go ahead and watch this video and let me explain why we have a couple of different versions. So this one here will have the information. This is the information here. And then we're going to go to a call to action screen. And then that's perfect. So that's a great video as is. But TikTok allows for polls to be done. And so do some other places. And so right here, you're going to see TikTok poll, and it's in the subject line. And this video, and again, I got a training on this if you don't know how to do it, but TikTok allows for a poll to be displayed during the video. So here's the video. We got the graphic. We got all the graph information there. Now this part is blank because I can put a poll right here that'll display for just this from 5 to 10 seconds. So you can see here, if you look at the seconds down there, and then at 9, so 5 to 9 seconds, and then the call to action screen comes on. Now that may sound a little bit confusing, but it's so not. It's so easy to do a poll on TikTok. And it's really good to know how to do polls because they all work the same way. And in fact, you can do a poll on YouTube, you can do a poll on Instagram, you can do a poll on TikTok as well. So knowing how to do them is actually a very powerful skill set to have because there's a lot of use cases for both polls and questions, and they both kind of work the same way, but just a little bit differently in every single platform. So we're giving you, that's why we give you the swipe files. And then this one says Instagram poll. If you wanted to do the Instagram video, and the problem with polls on Instagram is they go for the whole video. So if we had a poll on Instagram, it would cover all the content. And so we give you a blank video that has the header information you can see here. So if I want to do a back-to-back reel or story, I could use this as the repository or the place where I'm going to put the poll. If that sounds confusing, let me know. I can get back to you on that one and give you more details in the mastermind group. And so you can see here it's blank all the way through until we get to that part. All right. But so that way you can do a poll here and not mess up all the information that we're giving inside of the poll or inside of that video. Make sense? Hopefully that makes sense for everybody. If you have any questions though, get in the mastermind group, let us know. So we've covered now the email. We've covered the swipe files, both video and the images. So again, here, I can download this for a social media post. So for example, if I want to do a social media post, I'm going to show you right now how to do a social media post in Listings to Leads with all of that content. But then again, here you got a couple more image swipe files. So Instagram, again, that's the blank one for a poll. Instagram image for just the regular graphic. And then we've got something for an email. If you want to maybe do another email somewhere, you got that image right there as well. So we just downloaded that content or the image for the social media post for this. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard and I'm going to copy the email text, and then I'm going to go create a social media post. So it's a little bit of a workaround right now while we work our way through this, but this idea of doing marketing packs is something that's new. And I'm pretty excited about it because it's current information that is great to motivate people. So there, I just copied the text from the email. And so in Listings to Leads, now what you can do is go to social content, create social post. And so here I can do one post and it will go to all of my socials. So go to Google, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So check this out. I'm going to go just paste that in there. I'm going to scroll down here a little bit, add image or video. So I'm going to click that. And remember, I downloaded that image. In fact, I wonder if that might just be from Listings to Leads. Oh yeah, that's, what am I talking about? Why did you have to go down and download it? You really didn't. I'm going to select that version, right? Awesome. And then for the headline, I'm going to go back to the dashboard and I'm just going to highlight, I'm going to attempt to highlight. Oh, I guess I'll go back to it. Again, I'm just going to copy and paste the subject line into the post. So right there where the headline is, right there. Beautiful, beautiful. And again, I've only got Facebook and Instagram attached, but if I had Google, I could have had X, I could have had LinkedIn. I can either post now or save draft. So beautiful social media post. And then if you got any questions on how to post up to Twitter, or I'm sorry, not Twitter, but TikTok and Instagram in particular, go to our YouTube channel. So youtube.com/listings to leads. Go to playlist, and there's a playlist. And for me, I don't know why, but it always comes up in the third row. And here in this playlist, there are Instagram stories and reels. So in this video, I show you how to do Instagram stories with the poll. And in this one, I believe, the Core Logic, I show you how to post a TikTok. And so here I'm showing you how to post a TikTok with the poll, where the poll will only last for a certain amount of time. So check those two videos out. I'll see if I can't link to them along with this video. But if you have any questions on any of this, let us know, and we'll talk to you soon.